how to switch to dub on your Crunchyroll app. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics entertain. In this video I'm gonna guide you through how to switch to dub on Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's get directly into the video. First of all, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. After you do that, you'll be entering in the home screen of your Crunchyroll application. Now go ahead and tap on browse, which is at the bottom and middle, and then go ahead and tap on that little logo at the top right, and then as you can see here under language, you can see all subtitled and dubbed. We want to change or switch it into dubbed one, so go ahead and check in just the circle of dubbed just like this, and then go ahead and tap on update filter. Now you're good to go. As you can see, all the videos are appearing in dub, so that's how we can switch to dub on Crunchyroll. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye until then.